What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. If it's your first time here, hit that subscribe button. Sit back and enjoy. Here we have a 1999 Olds Intrigue with the 3.8 liter V6. We're going to be replacing the thermostat here. So we're going to start off. There's a bolt here and over there, and that's a 10 millimeter. So I'm going to go ahead and take those off. First, I'm going to go ahead and slide this line off. Just get these out of the way. There's the second one. Now I'm just going to pull this off of here. I'm going to wipe some of this dirt out of here before I pull it out. There's the old thermostat. I'm going to grab this rubber seal out of here. There's that guy. So I'm going to put the new seal on here. There's that. Drop them down in there. Put my two 10 millimeter bolts back in. So that's back in. You want to make sure you hook your vacuum lines back up. Slide up. Then you're going to want to top off your coolant and you're good to go. That's it. Simple. Thanks for watching.